Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the WEN coin. Now the WEN coin is on the Solana blockchain. There's been other WEN tokens that have come out in the past, so just be aware of that. This one is kind of a newer one, got very popular when the Solana meme coin started doing well after Solana started doing very well. So this token became very popular as a Solana meme coin when Solana took off. They have 139,700 Twitter followers, and they are listed on Jupiter, most likely Raydium, and then probably some other central exchanges. And then it was announced that they're going to be listed on Bybit soon, which is a very big central exchange. And so there's probably some other really big central exchanges they're being listed on as well. We're going to go over the info on this token. We're going to see if we can find any full audits on this token and, see if we can even find any quick audits or maybe a KYC. Basically any information that's going to help us see if there's any security risks on this token. And we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I didn't have to look very far for this token on a Dex Screener. It was already trending on there when I just went on to Dex Screener. And if you guys like Solana meme tokens, I just uploaded, or I'm going to upload probably around the same time as this video, a couple other Solana meme tokens. One of them is Luhu, which is a cat that just came out and is doing very well in their very first day, up thousands and thousands of % in their first day. There's also Pundu, a new panda meme coin that's got tons of central exchange listings. So check out those videos. But now we have this token, the WEN token. They're being listed March 27th on Bybit, which is a very big exchange. Now, Bybit is not available in a lot of people's areas, so you could probably get it on other exchanges. It could be on HTX, it looks like. If I open this up probably on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, it'll tell us all the central exchange listings. But it looks like here, HTX, LBank, CoinEx Global, BingX, they all follow here. So I do have a CoinEx Global referral code down there in the description box. So it looks like CoinEx is going to list, or has already listed the WEN token. So it's probably on there. But you can get it off Jupiter, Raydium, all over the place, basically, wherever Solana meme tokens are sold. Now it says WEN is a community meme coin focused on bringing WEN culture to life, and creating the largest cat coin possible. Cat coins are an extremely underserved niche in the market that the core group of contributors believes has massive potential. WEN started from an airdrop to give back to the community. 70% of WEN was airdropped to the community within a 3-day claim window. After the claim window, the remaining WEN was burned, equaling nearly 30% of the total supply. The WEN airdrop was airdropped 100% equally with the same amount to each wallet, emphasizing WEN is a coin for the people. WEN is developing a brand new NFT standard called WNS, which has already been adopted by Phantom, Tensor, Helios, Jupiter, Sniper, Backpack, and many more, and received a grant from the Solana Foundation. WNS has seen incredible growth since its inception in January 26th, adopting several integrations and partnerships. WNS is working on some top collections and builders to drive motives forward. To learn more about WNS, take a look on their document section, which you can find on their link tree, and their web page is on there as well. So their link tree is right on the Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up on the screen there. And it is basically at WhenWhenCoin on Linktree. And they have a Telegram, how to buy on Jupiter, Jupiter Forum, what is when, all sorts of stuff on there. So you can find tons of info. So anyways, the latest updates can be found on their Twitter, on the Jupiter Forum. They do Twitter Spaces. It says their goals and mission is to create the largest culture coin possible and foster a community of like-minded individuals to fuel When forward. When is focused on connecting mainstream users to community coins through cats, combining the famous crypto culture term When alongside the cutest cat to make the ultimate coin in Web3. So let's get to the security on this token here. So I just opened it up in let's see here. So this is on the Orca pool on Dex Screener, and it says they have a market cap of $288.3 million. Now, that is a lot. So a pair was created 2 months ago. And then on Dex Tools here, it says here that I don't see any lock buttons. There it is right there. So it says check locked liquidity, and you can do that on uncn.network. So that's where their locked liquidity is. So it's good that they have locked liquidity on there. And they also are listed here on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. It's got all these links. It's got their Solscan on here. So their 24-hour trading volume, $598,000. And that is for Raydium, though. Let me see this pool here. What does it say on this pool? So it says on here $6.4 million. So it looks like the Orca pool encompasses basically the most amount of trade. So yeah, their 24-hour trading volume is $6.4 million. So scratch what I just said. This is just for the Raydium pool. And yeah, so they do have a quick audit here. So they have a DEX score of 98 out of 99. So they have a quick audit. It says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and then it says no other risks. But this is only a quick audit. It is not a full audit. So just be aware that I haven't seen a full audit. They don't have one on their link tree. Don't see one on CoinMarketCap. And I don't see one on their webpage or anywhere else, basically. So just be aware, I don't see a full audit, only a quick audit. Hopefully their team is doxed somewhere. They don't have a KYC on their page either. But yeah, you can see the chart all over the place. And people are asking, is Crypto.com maybe listing this token, and Coinbase might list this token as well. So it's going to get a bunch of brand new listings here. They have a community trust score of 91.7%. So yeah, basically security-wise, their quick audit is good. It does say liquidity is locked on UNCX. And they have an insane following, insane amount of holders. It says 232,099 holders. And then it says their market cap is $190 million on their Solscan, but then it says $289 million on Dex Screener. So anyways, it's doing insanely well. I don't see any security risks, but I would like to see a full audit in KYC. And until then, I can't be 100% sure that the token is 100% safe. So just keep that in mind. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.